Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to properly export both a humanoid and non-humanoid character from Blender to Unity. We'll be exporting two characters, which is humanoid, and a dog, which is non-humanoid. Both of them have animations, and I'll show you the full process step by step. When using our character model pack, the structure will look a little different. If you're not very confident with Blender, you can watch a detailed video in which we explain how to move the character to 0 coordinates and add the required animation to it. You will find the link to the video in the description of the video. Let's start with the dog. First, select the rig and reset its position to the world center by pressing Alt plus G. Now, select everything and apply all transforms by pressing Ctrl plus A and choosing all transforms. At this point, the character is centered in the scene and all transforms are clear. Next, we need to temporarily detach the character from the rig. Select everything, press Alt plus P and choose Clear and Keep Transform. Now, we rotate the character minus 90 degrees at the x-axis, switch the side, press R, then X. Hold Ctrl for snapping and rotate to minus 90 degrees. You can see the exact value in the top left corner of the viewport. Now, apply Transform and again with Ctrl plus A on Transforms. Next, we parent the character back to the rig. Select everything, then with Shift, select the rig last, press Ctrl plus P and choose Object Keep Transform. Now rotate the character back 90 degrees on the x-axis, so it stands upright again. Finally, select the rig and make sure rest position is disabled and pose position is enabled. Keep in mind that the character will stand in the starting pose of the last animation. For example, idle. Now we are ready to export. Select the character and go to File, Export, FBX. Enable selected objects so we export only what we need. Make sure you select only Mesh and Armature with the Shift. Set Apply Scaling to FBX Unit Scale. Make sure Apply Unit and Use Space Transform are enabled and Apply Transform is disabled. In Geometry section, set Smooth to Normals only. In the Armature section, enable only Deform Bones and disable Add Leave Bones. If you want to export animations, enable animation and disable all actions. After setting everything up, you can save these settings as a preset for future use. Now export directly into the Unity project folder. For the dog, I will export it into the separated folder to show another import method. Now let's export the textures. Select the character and check which material is assigned. Open the material and look at the connected texture. Switch to the texture or image editor. Select the texture, then click Image, Save As. Save the texture directly into the Unity project folder. Now, let's open Unity. There's two ways to import the character. You can right-click in the project window and choose Import New Asset. Or you can simply drag and drop the FBX file into the project window. Both methods work the same way. Drag the character into the scene. Expand it in the hierarchy. Check that there is no unwanted rotation or scale on the meshes. Also check the rig and make sure everything is clean all the way to the root bone. If everything looks correct, the export was gone properly. Let's change rig type. Select the daemon, go to the rig and change animation type to humanoid. Click Apply. For the dog, we should set generic because it's non-humanoid character. Let's check animations. Select the FBX file, expand it, make sure all animation clips are present and playing correctly. And that's it! We exported a humanoid character, a non-humanoid character, their animations, texture, and correctly import everything to Unity. No scale issues, no rotation problems, no broken bones. That's all. Thanks for watching.